Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your fast food app. So you just follow these ways that it's going to work with you. So all you have to do on your BodyFast, you just go down, click here on me down here, and you just click here on me. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, just go here above this sign, you click on it. So then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on notifications, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. You come here to add the start of fasting period. Come here to shortly before it starts, clicking this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now. And here you can add here how time beforehand. You click on it, and here can you select it in this list here, then you click on OK. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.